my lovelies. I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my day 2 of after spring break cleaning. Yesterday I was able to do my master bedroom, but that's all I had time for. Today I'm going to tackle the master bathroom, the guest bathroom, and my dining room table. I do have guests coming over on later this evening. I do Bible studies, so I want to make sure that my house is nice and tidy and clean, smelling good, so my guests can enjoy their time while they're here. And so let's get started, guys. I told my family to leave their plates on the table so that I can demonstrate to you guys the tips that I'm using, how efficient and effective they are. Also, I'm going to show you guys these rags that I picked up in CVS for 39 cents each. They're very good, and I'm going to go ahead and cut them right here, just down the middle and across, and I'm going to make 4 rags out of 1. That will be giving me 16 rags in total to clean with, and I got them in several colors, so it's easier for you guys to see that I'm using different rags and not cross-contaminated. I find this system very efficient just because I don't have to go from room to room. Basically, I'm just picking up and taking a couple steps to throw away, and I have that basket that's a catch-all basket. So once I'm done picking everything up, I can just easily pick it up and go to the room that I need to go to. This table definitely needed some attention. It was dirty. Look how gross this is. Just a whole bunch of crumbs and God knows what else there is there. But that's okay. We're going ahead and picking it up. I'm going to toss this also in the catch-all basket so I can put it to wash later. And here I'm grabbing a new fresh rag, just making sure I'm going to pass through everything one more time and just make sure that everything is picked up and clean. I'm really enjoying this method, all-purpose cleaner. I find it very easy and effective just because I can use it on multiple surfaces, and it does do a good job. So I'm very happy with the quality, and as to my understanding, it is non-toxic as well, and it has a very nice smell, so I'm very happy with it. I wanted to know from you guys, what is it that you're using? I'm always looking for new products to try out, and I'm so glad that I picked this up, and especially being recommended by a lot of YouTubers, so I definitely agree with them. This is a great product. I'm gonna go ahead and put the flowers back onto the table, but I am planning a DIY for the middle here. I'm a little tired already of seeing them. I've had them since Valentine's, so I'm ready for a change. Make sure to subscribe so that you are notified when I do that DIY. The living room is a bonus room. I did not mention that in the beginning, but I saw that things needed to be tidied up. Not a big clean, but definitely needed to be straightened out. I see that all these tags are kind of popping out, and I want to know, what is it that you guys do? Do you guys cut them off, or do you just tuck them in? Let me know, because we have to fix this a couple times a day, and it's driving me crazy seeing those tags just popping up.
wanted to quickly show you what I have collected in my catch-all basket and give you a glimpse of this rain, guys. I'm so glad I'm indoors cleaning. It's a great day for it. Now on to the guest bathroom. This is another tip I wanted to share with you guys. If your family has a habit of leaving or dropping things at a certain point, you should try to organize things at their drop-off points. My daughter has a lot of hair products. She has beautiful curly hair, but man, it does have and take a lot of maintenance. So I just like to have this little tray here where I can put everything. So instead of having to fight with her every day to put things away, I can just simply have her corral everything in this little tray. And I want to make sure that I'm wiping every single item down. This is the bathroom, so there's crazy things up in the air, I've heard. So just want to make sure I'm also wiping every surface down. And you guys are going to notice, look at the rag colors, and I did this on purpose so you can see that I am actually changing out the rags. I could have just bought all of them the same color, but I wanted to make sure that it's a visual for you guys. I want to make sure I'm not cross-contaminating anything. So you'll see me using different colors throughout the bathroom video. I do make sure that I change them often and in between steps. Another DIY that I want to do before the summer comes, I definitely want to go ahead and cover this vanity top. The rest of the cabinet is in good condition, but the top has seen better days. So I'm going to be doing either a stick-on tile or some kind of mosaic tile. So subscribe so you guys are notified when that video comes out. Again, I want you guys to notice how I'm using different rags for different sections of the toilet. I will use a rag for the cleaner areas and then one rag specifically just for the more dirtier areas. I want to take a moment and thank you for watching. Remember that part 3 will be coming up in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see any future videos. Thank you guys. Love ya.